This is why you don't let Shorey fly drones. Found ourselves an old dry river down here. It's a bit like the Todd River up in Alice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like being back in Alice. But there's helicopters flying pretty low, so I decided not to fly the drone, but Shorey's going to be a daredevil and fly one of the stunt doubles and keep it really low through the trees. So I'm looking forward to that footage. He's more of a daredevil. I'm not such a daredevil with a drone, so...
We might be one drone down, but
yeah,
never
we'll
mind.
see how the stunt double survives.
We'll see how it goes.
Stay tuned.
This is why you don't let Shorey fly drones.
It didn't end well.
It doesn't end well.
Oh no.
Bit like we got some good footage.
Stunt double has passed away.
He's out of commission.
Oh my God. It's the first drone we've ever actually completely lost. Oh dear. Okay. We'll move on. Oh my God. Stunt double lives to see another day. Look at that. Oh God, I thought he was dead.
How tough are drones?
That just shows how tough drones are. He sure just took out a power line and landed in the mud. The only bit of mud in the whole river, I must say. And look, it's still flying. Wow. Drones are tough. I should start to be less precious with Albie, I think.
We're in Newman and we've found a big truck, haven't we, Shazza?
Yeah, big old mining truck. Makes a cool little landmark for their town.
Good little
for us,
selfie.
For us tourists, you know. People go past and say, ah, tourists.
And we've made it up as far as the Pilbara, Shazza.
We have. We're loving the Outback.
It's a real mining town, Newman, isn't it? I think every vehicle we've seen is a mine vehicle.
They all have flags on, like a little pole with a flag on the top, and you're just seeing flags flying everywhere.
Yeah, they're all over the place, they are. So we'll go for a bit more of a wander and bring you a bit more stuff.
Yes.
Shazza, what is it? Karijini National Park in Western Australia.
We're about to go bushwalking. Let's see how far we get.
Won't be a lot of walking, that's for sure.
We have snacks. Hello, we are in a national park. I believe it might be called Karijini, but sorry if it's not. But we're heading down to a waterfall, and then we're going to Dale's Gorge, and something else was down there too. Beautiful day for it.
Perfect day for it, isn't it? The weather's just, yeah, lovely.
And look at us little bushwalkers. We were saying last year we did all this training, you know, for our big holiday and everything. Last year we hardly walked anywhere. This year we did zero training and we have done nothing but walk.
It's funny, isn't it?
We'll get back to you.
We'll see what we bring in. Impressive gorge, isn't it, Shaz?
Oh, wow. I don't know how to describe this place other than wow. There's a lot of stairs down there, I can tell you. This is going to test our fitness level out big time.
They might have to airlift us back out. We'll walk down.
Next time we're talking to you, it'll be like...
and flat out breathing.
Here goes nothing. It's a seat without a name on it.
It's called an old fart seat. An old fart seat. Glad to see they're thinking of us old people. Got a special seat for us on the way back.
We reckon it was put here just for us.
Yep.
The halfway seat. I don't know if it's halfway or not, but
it still looks a long way. We've come a long way down. Looks a long way to
we're
get
only
down
on the
there.
way down. We haven't come back up yet.
And we're sitting down already. That's a worry.
It's all about the photo, though. We're fine. We're not puffed at all.
We shouldn't have had that couple of bits of cake before we left.
Yeah, and in the backpack, Freddo frogs. Talk about health nuts.
We might need that energy to get back up here. We're at the top of the stairs. We would say something, but we can't breathe.
It was like, flip a coin, who's going to talk? Yeah, we're not fit. But we're here and we saw it.
Exactly.
And it is to see. It's amazing. Absolutely.
Worthwhile coming to.
Beautiful part of the world.
And you can swim down there if you want to. It'd be a great little swimming hole.
Yeah.
So yeah.
If you can make it back up the stairs.
That's it. Oh damn, that's a long way.
Okay. Okay, termite mounds. We saw heaps of them in Northern Territory. Now we're seeing them in WA. They're getting bigger and bigger as we go along.
Hey, dingo, 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 dingo. Here, boy, boy. Come on, boy. Hey, dingo, dingo. Come behind,
Sure,
come
he wants
behind.
to see a dingo.
Come here, dingo. Here, boy, here, boy. Well, not having much luck out here, but I hear the bakery's a good place to see them.
Where's the bakery?
Where's the bakery? You better find a bakery.
Stop with the dingo.
Here, boy. Here, dingo, 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 dingo. Here, boy. Look, dingo scat.
Oh, not the scat again.
Dingo, dingo, dingo. Here, dingo, dingo, dingo.
There's no bakery, Shori.
No bakery here.
We've just been to Dale's Gorge, and oh, look, if you get a chance, an opportunity, please come here. It is a beautiful part of Australia, or the world for that matter.
Supposedly heaps of really good water holes and canyons and that round here. Lots of four-wheel drive, so if you've got a four-wheel drive,
good spot.
head up here, come camping.
But
Great
we don't
spot.
have one, and we've seen plenty, so yeah.
So
And we've walked a lot too.
we have.
Go us.
We're going to go to the bakery and see if we can find a dingo.
I don't know, but I'm guessing a fire pit, but I could be totally wrong.
And she's a bushy from way back, so she's probably pretty right. We'll have a look and see what it looks like.
No, I don't know what it is. There's two of them, but you could have a fire in there though.
Ah, it's a little hole for a taipan snake. headlines tonight on the Western Australian news. Drone takes out power grid in Western Australia.
Yeah, sure he crashed the drone.
Sure, he got the power lines.
Oh, I can't believe the drone survived. It was, but sure he said it was there going buzz, buzz, buzz. It was like it had been zapped.
Yeah, like it was going
Having a little moment or a heart attack.
having convulsions, it was him, so yeah.
Poor little thing, but it's still going. Good little stunt double.
Because it landed in the only muddy puddle in the whole of the
River.
river.
Yeah, so good mud on it.
So it was covered in mud, and I cleaned all the mud off it, and off the gimbal and everything, which is all caked up, and it flies again.
Yeah.
It's even been out on another mission.
Amazing. It just blows me away. When I saw it, I thought, well, that's the end of that stunt double, but no. So drones are tough.
They take a bit of killing,
Yeah.
that's for sure.
Yep, they do.
I do give it my best shot, but
He does give it his best shot, yes.
I have been responsible for quite a few being stuck up trees, hitting power lines now.
Yeah, add that one to your resume.
Yeah, add that one to my resume, yeah.
But he lives on, so that's okay.
So we'll see what else we can bring you. We're heading up the Northern Highway at the moment towards
Port Hedland.
Port Hedland. So yeah, we've been out and had a look at the National Park. That was pretty impressive. If you've got a 4-wheel drive and a tent, you should head up that way and camp. It's
The dingoes come into the campsite apparently.
yeah, don't feed the dingoes because they come wandering in at night apparently looking for a feed. What else have we done today, Shazza?
Oh, we've eaten a lot of snacks.
Yes, we have eaten a lot of snacks.
But we went up a lot of stairs too, so we earned our snacks.
I think we'd probably eaten more snacks than we had done stairs, but never mind.
Never mind.
Them's the breaks.
See you in Port Hedland.
See you there.